Ang tanadet penang kachongvir amuni datumsi karbe ke panjume junu nangki putoji puki karbe anglong women justice forum chachakchi Dipak Dey la pen Prithvi Raj Yadav pu ang tanadet pen nang kachongvir chot amuni datumsi pini karbe ke pan lang plot pen jume junu nangki putoji puki karbe anglong women justice forum atum chachak joji la se prabjin pen Dipak Dey la pen Prithvi Raj Yadav karbe anglong agar pan dia Johanangji kalite agaprek kupini step deng nang komji pusi pini pai pai ni phayeng koida sirkep ani Singhasan hotel along pherangke me kangnia hot karbiang long women justice forum along kongchun rangti presalate rangti lepen alang ni risang hotu ningkipung tactic alang pi chipaklan
हम करबी आंगलोंग वुमेन जस्टिस बोकाजन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमेटी से आपको बोल रही हूँ कि हम करबी आंगलोंग का जमीन किसको पट्टा देना है किसको पट्टा नहीं देना है हम ये आपका फैसला लेना नहीं है हम कभी भी मंजूर नहीं है आपका बात इसलिए हमको किसने पट्टा देंगे किसको नहीं देंगे हम हमारा करबी आंगलोंग डॉक्टर सीएम डॉक्टर तुलीराम रोंगहांग फैसला करेंगे आपका काम नहीं है अगर आपका पट्टा चाहिए होता तो आपका जगह में बिहार हो या कहीं भी हो आपका जगह रहे तो रह लो हमका इधर आप लोग का बिहारी से लेना इधर हमारा करबी आंगलोंग डॉक्टर तुलीराम रोंगहांग जी के लिए आप क्यों इतना नीचा दिखा रही है हम भी आपको बोल सकते हैं अगर बंगाली का वोटिंग से हमारा डॉक्टर तुलीराम रोंगहांग अभी करबी आंगलोंग में सीएम बन रही होता तो हम करबी लोग भी है अगर आप चाहे तो पूरा बंगाली कहीं भी लेके जा सकते हैं हम अपना वोटिंग से हमारा सीएम को बैठेंगे आप बोलने का इजाजत नहीं है इधर किसको उतार भी सकते हैं बैठा भी सकते हैं वो आपका काम नहीं है अगर हम कर सकते हैं आप कर सकते हैं तो पूरा बंगाली लोग अपना बंगर लेके जाओ बस इतना ही है आपको याद रहने का बंगाली वोटिंग से हमारा करबी आंगलोंग डॉक्टर तुलीराम रोंगहांग जी बैठा नहीं है सीएम
Speaking to the people of Bengali people living in Karbi Anglong. How do he know that we the Karbis ill-treated the Bengalis in Karbi Anglong? We don't remember. We never take any negligence to any other people living in Karbi Anglong. We are always taking responsibility for the people, those who are living beside Karbis. So why he has to say that? He didn't come to Karbi Anglong for voting. The CM, Dr. Tuliram Roenghang, is not seated in the Autonomous Council as CM because of the Bengalis voting. The Karbi Anglong is united and all the Karbis voted him and then he got the seat of CEM in Karbi Anglong. So he has no right to talk in such vulgar words to make a distance both Karbi and the other tribes. We are not satisfied with that. So Dipak Dey, wherever you are, wherever you stay, please ask or apologize to the people of Karbi Anglong. The people of Karbi Anglong are totally angry with you. We are not accepting you. We are not accepting your words. And now Prithvi Raj Yadav, founder of All in India Bhojpuri Student Union. If he is the founder of Bhojpuri Student Union of All India, then why can't he take care of the Bhojpuri or the Bihari people in Kheroni, living in the place where human beings are not allowed to stay. In Karbi Anglong also we have got lots of Biharis Why can he take responsibility if he is founder of that? And he has no right to speak about the land and revenue of Karbi Anglong. Here, the Autonomous Council of Karbi Anglong are responsible for the quota or lease given to the people. And CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang said that 1950 to 51 above only he will give a land quota, but he has not done the work. He just verbally set out. So why he has to point that? He has no right. So both Prithvi Raj Yadav and Dipak Dey, you have to apologize with the people of Karbi Anglong and the Autonomous Council, the leaders, the Karbi Anglong, the team Karbi Anglong, led by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang. You have to apologize by all means, by hook or by crook, wherever you are. You have to apologize to the Autonomous Council and the people of Karbi Anglong. That's all.